If you're still browsing with Chrome or Microsoft Edge, you're living in an old era of tools. Something new has entered the game, Neo. It doesn't just show you a page, it understands what you want, even before you say it. A new generation of web browsing has begun, and it's about to change everything. You might be thinking, how much can a browser really be different? Let Neo answer that. Hi, today we're going to explore the NeoBrowser together. Neo is a truly AI-native browser. Not a traditional browser with AI added later, but a browser rebuilt entirely around AI from the ground up. It understands what you need before you even ask. And with Norton behind it, your security is completely covered. It offers a clean, focused, and truly smart experience. A browsing experience designed around calm, focus, control, and real AI. Neo doesn't interrupt you or overwhelm you with features. It quietly understands the page you're on, the context of your work, and helps only when it's actually useful, with full control always in your hands. Neo isn't just a tool, it's your smart partner for everyday web browsing and work. First things first, go to the link in the description to visit the Neo website. Download it, currently available for Windows and Mac, with mobile coming soon. Once installed, open it. The interface is really appealing. At the beginning, you'll give it a name, like Nova. You can import your data from Chrome or Edge and continue where you left off, or start fresh with Neo, an experience that helps you before you even know what you need. I'll choose the fresh setup to explore Neo in its pure form. Next, pick a theme, and you're in. Right in the middle is the magic box, your all-in-one hub for search, commands, summaries, and navigation. You can paste links, ask questions, or give commands like summarize this page, all from one place. You can also upload files, documents, PDFs, or images, and Neo will instantly analyze and process the information. For example, upload a picture of your bank statement, and Neo will categorize expenses, suggest a budget, and even provide savings tips. After a meeting, upload the transcript, and Neo will extract key decisions, identify tasks and responsibilities, set deadlines so you know exactly when each task is due, and even generate clear follow-up emails to keep things moving. Now let's talk about Neo's contextual AI tools and typing assistant, one of the most powerful parts of the browser. Wherever you're typing, emails, comments, scripts, documents, Neo helps you write better without sounding robotic. It improves tone, clarity, and structure while fully matching your personal voice. You can ask it to make text more professional, friendly, confident, shorter, or more detailed. It can fix grammar, rewrite content, or even turn text into a LinkedIn post or a polished email. Combined with Neo's context awareness, it understands exactly what you're working on and assists directly inside your workflow, without copying, pasting, or switching tabs. If I want to research or learn something, I can paste a link, like a Wikipedia page on stem cells, into the magic box. Neo instantly gives me a clean, readable summary. I can ask follow-up questions, request more details, or explore related ideas, all while staying in the same context. You can even perform voice searches without typing. At the top right, NeoChat opens, an AI side panel that stays by your side. It's fully context-aware, meaning it understands the active page you're on and adapts its help accordingly. It analyzes each page and suggests explanations, summaries, or questions you might want to ask, without breaking your focus. As you move from page to page, the help evolves automatically. One really cool feature is Peek. Just hover over a link, and Neo can preview it, summarize it, or help you evaluate it before clicking. This makes checking sources, articles, and references incredibly fast and safe. Another standout feature is Smart Tab grouping. Neo automatically understands your tab topics and organizes them. Research in one group, content creation in another, shopping in a separate space. Old tabs can be collapsed or reopened later, keeping your workspace clean and focused. At the bottom, you can personalize everything and activate Neo Feed. It delivers updates and news that are truly relevant to you, without ads and without data tracking. What makes Neo Feed different is that content selection happens directly on your device, not on external servers, keeping everything private and fully under your control. Neo also has configurable memory, fully controlled by you. You decide what it remembers, what syncs, and what stays private. Every memory is visible, editable, and deletable. No hidden storage, no background tracking. Neo is built with Norton-level security. You always know what data stays local, what goes to the cloud, and what gets deleted permanently. Each browser tab is isolated isolated for extra protection, and every summary clearly shows its sources. For students and researchers, this becomes incredibly powerful. You can open multiple academic papers, reference them using the @ symbol, and even ask Neo to write a full 2,500-word academic paper in APA format. For YouTubers and creators, you can research trends, preview articles with Peek, summarize multiple tabs, write full scripts, and then generate SEO-optimized descriptions, all inside the browser. For job applications, Neo can compare your resume with job listings, highlight skill gaps, draft cover letters, prepare follow-up emails, and even set reminders for new job postings or interviews, so you never miss an opportunity. In the end, Neo goes far beyond a regular browser. It doesn't just open web pages, it helps you think, organize, write, decide, and move faster. Everything stays calm, transparent, ad-free, and fully under your control. With Neo, AI works for you, not the other way around. It's time to leave old tools behind and experience a smarter, safer way to browse, research, and get work done. Download Neo now. The link is in the description. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video, my friend.